Hello students, welcome back to your math class. Myself Rajeshwari Rawat and I am here to teach you very interesting topic of math, that is measurement. In this session we will learn what is measurement and also we will learn to differentiate between longer and shorter, as well as differentiate between longest and shortest. After that, we will learn measurement of height. Let's start our session 1. Do you know, students, what is measurement? A number that shows the size or amount of something is known as measurement. बच्चों, किसी भी चीज़ का measurement उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ शो करता है, जैसे कि वो लंबा है या छोटा है, वह पतला है या मोटा है. In this chapter, we will learn the measurement of length, height, breadth and weight. Let's do some activities related to longer and shorter from your textbook. You can find this activity on the page number 93 of your textbook. Circle the longer. Here we have to compare the length, that means lambai. Here we have two quills. Quill means a large feather from the wing or tail of a bird. Now you are supposed to find out which one is longer. Look at the picture carefully. It is clear that the second quill is longer than the first quill. So we will make a circle on the second quill. In the second example, you can see two brooms, means jhadu, and we have to find which one is longer. Now you identify which one is longer, the first one or the second one. Very good. First one is the longer. Next activity, circle the shorter one. In first picture, we have two pieces of rope. That means दो रस्सी के टुकड़े हैं. Now we have to identify the shorter one. That means a piece of rope which is shorter in length compared to the other. Which one is shorter? Yes, the second one. So we have to make a circle on it. Now the second example. What can you see in the given picture? Yes, two bamboo sticks. Now identify which one is shorter. Try to find out by yourself. Very good. The second one is shorter. Now let's proceed further. Next topic is longest or shortest. बच्चों, जब हम दो चीज़ों में कंपैरिजन करते हैं तो हम longer and shorter यूज़ करते हैं. But when you are supposed to do comparison between more than two things, then you are supposed to use longest and shortest. Let's do an activity. Circle the longest. Here you can see three pictures of maize. Now the longest means सबसे लंबा. तो बच्चों, आप बताओ कौन सा है सबसे लंबा? Yes, the first one. Next question is circle the shortest. Here you can see three pictures of a wooden stick and we are supposed to find out the shortest one. मतलब लंबाई में सबसे छोटा. Which one is the shortest? First one, second one or the third one? Yes, second one is the shortest. Next topic is taller and shorter. Here we have to compare two things by their height. जिसकी हाइट लंबी उसे टॉलर कहेंगे और जिसकी हाइट छोटी उसे shorter कहेंगे. Now let's have a look on some examples. The first example, circle the taller one. In the given picture, we have two birds and we have to identify which one is taller. कौन सा bird height में लंबा है? First one or second one? Yes, the second one. Now next example, circle the shorter one. Here we have a picture of a dog and its puppy. Which one are shorter? A dog or its puppy? Yes, puppy. Let's move further. Next topic is tallest and shortest. Here we have to make a comparison between more than two things. That's why we use the word tallest and shortest, not taller and shorter. Let's have a look on some examples. First example is circle the tallest one. Here we have a picture of three birds. You have to find out a bird which has maximum height. That means the tallest bird. Which one is the tallest here? Yes, the second one is the tallest bird. Now next example is circle the shortest. Here you have a picture of three clowns. बच्चों, आपको ये clowns कहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं? Absolutely right, in the circus. Circus is the place where children like you enjoy a lot. I know you are missing this kind of place a lot. Due to the current situation, don't worry, you will definitely enjoy this very soon. Now come to the example. आप बताओ, इन सब में कौन सा क्लाउन हाइट में सबसे छोटा है? Yes, the first clown. Now it's homework time. Children, you can find all these questions in your textbook also. So do this homework in your textbook. Question number 1, circle the longest. Question number 2, circle the taller. Question number 3, circle the shorter. Here we have completed our session 1. We will learn many more interesting topics of measurement in our next session. Bye. Thank you.